Hello children, welcome to Akshara IIT Foundation. This is Srinivas, your maths faculty. Let us go to the today's class. Today we are on the topic of progressions, that too arithmetic progression. Am I right? We discussed about that arithmetic progression, nothing but the list of numbers which are formed by adding a fixed number to its preceding term except the first term. Okay, na? Like some examples also we have discussed it, and the general form of a arithmetic progression also we discussed, that is a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d. That means the terms are in the form of a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, and so on, a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, na? So here d is nothing but a fixed term. We are taking that d as common difference. Okay, na? Right. And nth term of AP, nth term is nothing but last term. That means if n value if you taken as 1, it will be the first term. N value 2, it will be the second term. So nth term is nothing but a plus n minus 1 into d. That too we have discussed about that Sn. Sn is nothing but sum of n terms. Sum of n terms of AP, that is Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, na? So most of the problems we can find the answer by using these two formulas. Yeah. Now let us continue the problems which we stopped. Till then we can continue. Okay. So the seventh problem is given, that is sum of 20 terms. Sum of 20 terms of the given series. The series is given that the series is given 3, 10, 17, 24 and so on. So this is the series which is in arithmetic progression. We need to find out that sum of 20 terms. Sum of n terms means Sn. Sum of 20 terms means S20. Okay, and we know that always the first term 3, a is the first term, and the common difference. How to find the common difference? Common difference d is equals to a2 minus a1. That means second term minus first term. Second term is 10 and the first term is 3. So 10 minus 3 is 7. Okay. Now let us find that S20. S20 means sum of 20 terms. Write the formula. Before that, let me write the general form here. Sn equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now in the place of n, I am going to substitute 20. Okay. So S20 equals to 20 by 2 into 2a. 2a means 2 into a. So 2 into a value 3 plus n minus 1. N value 20. 20 minus 1 is 19. And d is the common difference into 7. N minus 1 into d. Okay. So 2 table in 20 10 times. And in the bracket value while you are observing 2 3s are 6 plus 19 7s are 7 10 70 and 7 9s are 63. So 133. Am I right? Yeah. So let us try to find the answer, that is 6 plus 133 is 139 into 10, 1390. So sum of 20 terms of this series is nothing but 1320. Okay, now? Now let us go to the next problem. Problem number 8. The 8th problem while you are observing here, that is given 3 terms are given. The 3 terms are in AP it seems already. Okay, na? The 3 terms of AP is given, that is 2 by 7 x, and the third term is minus 16 by 7. So these are the 3 terms which are in arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression means the common difference is same, nothing but the fixed number. Okay. Now what we have to find? X value we should find. For example, if A, B, C, the 3 terms are in AP, what can you write? 2b equals to a plus c, right? 2 times of middle term equals to a plus c. Or we can use the formula like a2 minus a1 common difference, a3 minus a2 common difference are equal. Okay. Now the first term is a1, second term is a2, and the third term is a3. Just substitute in the formula. A2 value x minus, what is a1 value? It is 2 by 7. Okay. That is equals to a3 value. A3 value is minus 16 by 7 minus a2 value is x. Now I am just bringing the variables one side and the constant one side. Okay. Numbers, numericals. Yeah. Minus x, I am just transposing this side, becomes plus x. Here already one x in the left hand side. So x plus x becomes 2x. So 2x equals to, right hand side we are having the number minus 16 by 7. And while you are transposing minus 2 by 7 to that side, it will be plus 2 by 7. Whenever you can see the same denominators directly, we can add or subtract the numerators. Okay, na? First one negative, second one positive. Different symbols means subtraction. So it will be minus 14 by 7. 7 table in 14 2 times. So from this we can learn that 2x value is minus 2. 2x value is minus 2 and x value is minus 2 by 2, that equals to x value is minus 1. So this is our required answer. Okay, ma'am. 3 terms are in AP. We are finding one of the unknown value between them. Clear? Yeah. So we can go to the next problem. The ninth problem is given that, yeah, sum of 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus and so on plus 19. So 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on 19. While you are observing that all are consecutive numbers. All are consecutive numbers. And the previous class we had discussed that sum of first n natural numbers, sum of first n natural numbers formula sigma n equals to n into n plus 1 by 2. And the sum of first n square numbers, that means 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, like that. Sigma n square is equals to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Square numbers. Same way cube numbers also we discussed. Sigma n cube is equals to n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. 3 formulas we discussed. But this is also somewhat looking like that. Continue numbers. But first 4 numbers are missing. What are the first 4 numbers? 1 plus, 2 plus, 3 plus, 4. These first 4 numbers are not there, no? So these first 4 numbers I am just removing at last by using this formula sigma n, first n natural numbers. Sum of first n natural numbers formula sigma n is equals to n into n plus 1 by 2. Here n means how many numbers are there? 20 numbers means 20 into 20 plus 1. Okay, no? Same way here 19 numbers. So in the place of n, just substitute 19 and 19 plus 1 by 2. That is equals to 19. 19 plus 1, how much? 20. 20 by 2. 2 table in 20, 10 times. 19 into 10, 190. Okay. So that is nothing but these are the numbers, sum of first n natural numbers. Here sum of first 19 natural numbers. Okay. But actually the problem is given from 5, not from 1. So what are these 4 numbers? Add these 4 numbers, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. So now I am going to subtract 10 from this entire solution. So we will get sigma n is equals to 180. This is our required answer. Okay, na? Actually I use the formula for sum of first n natural numbers, but I am not getting the question from 1. I am getting the question from 5. So first 4 numbers are subtracted from the entire answer. Okay, na? Yeah. Let us go to the next problem. Yeah. So the problem number 10, the 20th term of the sequence whose nth term is given. So nth term is an. Nth term is given. Yeah, 10th question it is. So given nth term an equals to n into n minus 2 divided by n plus 3. So we need to find 20th term. We need to find 20th term. So I am using this formula. In the place of n, what I have to write? Which number we should write? 20th number, because we need to identify the value of 20th term. If we are asking about 100th term, we should substitute 100 in the place of n. Very good. In the place of n. Now I am writing 20th term. A20 equals to 20 into 20 minus 2 divided by 20 plus 3. Okay, now whenever you see n value or in the place of n, we can substitute 20. Okay, yeah, that is equals to 20, and 20 minus 2 is 18. So divided by 23. 20 18s are 360 by 23. This is our required answer. Therefore 20th term is equals to 360 divided by 23. Okay. Yeah, let us go to the next problem. The 11th problem is there. So let me check the 11th problem. That is, which term of AP, the AP also given, that is 1, 3, 5 and so on. Which term, that means it can be 10th term or 11th term, whatever, 100th term also. Which term of AP will be 55? Which term of AP is 55? That means first term is 1, second term 3, third term 5, fourth term 7 and so on will go on. Which term is 55? So I don't know which term it is. Let us take this term as last term. Okay, nth term. Let us take it as nth term. That Tn is equals to 55. What is nth term formula? A plus n minus 1 into d is equals to 55. Okay, na? A means, yeah, first term. A means first term. What is first term? 1. N means which term that is? We don't know n. N value only we should find. So in the place of n, as it is n minus 1. D, common difference. D, what is the d value here? A2 minus A1, 3 minus 1 is 2. That is equals to 55. Now, n minus 1 into 2, write as it is. Plus 1 transpose that side minus 1, and 55 minus 1 is 54. And same way, here 2 is multiplying. I am going to transpose that side. It is dividing the 2 table 54 in 27 times. So we will get that n minus 1 value 27. What is n value then? Minus 1 transpose becomes plus 1. So 27 plus 1 is 28. Okay, now. So if you take 28th term will be 55. Okay, now. Chalo. Let us go to the next problem. 20th question, sorry, 12th question. The sum of first 20 odd natural numbers. Formula you should remember. First n odd natural numbers. Natural numbers starts from 1. Is n square. The formula is n square. That means if you take the odd numbers from the set of natural numbers, so 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 and so on, nth term. Okay, na? N can be 20, 30, whatever. Okay. First odd natural numbers whose sum is n square according to the formula. Now, which one you are asking? 20, sum of 20 first n natural numbers. 20 natural numbers. Okay, na? What is that one? formula n square. So in the place of n, I can write 20. So 20 square value, 20 square is nothing but 20 into 20, that is 400. Okay, na? Sum of first 20 odd natural numbers is n square formula. 20 odd natural numbers means 20 square. So answer will be 400. Let us go to the 13th problem. Yeah. See this problem. If the interior angles of a octagon, octa means 8. 8-sided closed figure is called octagon. Okay, na? So they are in AP, arithmetic progression it seems. What are the interior angles of a octagon? Interior angles of a octagon, right? Yeah. The smallest angle is 30. So among them, smallest angle, that means A value 30. Smallest means for us first term. Okay, smallest value is 30 degrees. And then the common difference is also 30 degrees. Smallest value 30, common difference also, D value also 30 degrees it seems. Okay. Now, then the sum of all angles. Okay. So if you try to start the series like first term 30, second term 30 plus 30, 60. Because common difference is 30, no? Like how many are there? So we need to find sum of all angles. How many angles are there? Because of octagon. Octa means 8 angles. Octagon means it must have 8 angles. Okay, na? That means sum of 8 angles we should find. Sum of n terms formula, Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is Sn formula, am I right? Yeah, S8 we should find. That means in the place of n we should write 8. And first term 2a, a value 30, 2 into 30, 60. N value 8, 8 minus 1, 7. 7 into common difference, that is also 30. Okay, na? So that is equals to 2 table in 8 4 times. 4 into 7, 9 30s actually. Here 2 30s, here 7 30s. Total 9 30s are 270. Okay. So try to multiply 28 to 1080. Okay, now. So by using the arithmetic progression formula. Okay. Sn formula we got the value 1080. Right. So let us go to the problem number 14. Yeah, let us go to the next problem, the 14th one. So that is the interior angles. So interior angles of a polygon are in AP it seems. Okay, but we don't know which polygon it is given, but whose smallest angle is 120 degrees. So according to the problem, our smallest angle means we have to consider as first term. Okay. Yeah, smallest angle is 120 degrees. And the common difference is 5. Common difference means D. Can you say the second term? If the first term is 120 degrees, what is the second term? 125. Very good. Because A plus D is the second term. A plus 2D is the third term. Okay. So 125 second term, 120, 130, 135, 140, 145 like that series will come. But here we should find out the how many number of sides are there. How many sides are there? It can be 6-sided or 7-sided or 8-sided polygon. We don't know. No? So let us try to find that number of sides. Okay. But we know that sum of all angles formula. Sum of all angles of a polygon. What is the sum of angles formula? Sum of angles 8 class will get is equals to n minus 2 into 180 degrees. Sum of angles formula n minus 2 into 180. But according to the progression, sum of angles means Sn only no. Sn formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. According to the condition, we know sum of angles have a polygon n minus 2 into 180, but according to the progression, we know sum of angles n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into t. So I am just equating these two because both are equal. That means n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here n means number of sides. Here also n means number of sides. That is equals to n minus 2 into 180 degrees. Okay, na? Now this 2 divided by 2, I am transposing also, it is going to multiply 180 into 2, 360. So it will be n minus 2 into 360 degrees. Okay. Now here n 2a plus n minus 1 into d. A value is 120 now. 2 into 120 is nothing but 240. So first term 2a term is 240 plus n minus 1 we don't know. So n minus 1 as it is n minus 1 and the common difference is 5. Okay. Let us check that. So 240 into n, 240n plus this one you multiply here 5n into n, 5n square and 5 into n, 5n. So minus 5n is equals to multiply here 360n minus 2 into 360 is 720 degrees. Now bring all the terms one side. That means we have 5n square here, 5n square. Now 360n, bring this side, minus 360n, minus 5n, minus 365. What is that? Minus 365n. And any n terms are here, 240n. So one is positive, one is negative, subtract, we will get 125n. So minus 125n and the remaining number, only constant is remaining. What is that? 720. Now I am going to cancel all the terms by phi table. It will be n square minus 25n plus, am I right? 25 5 is 125. And here 5 ones are 5, 5 4s, 5 4s, 540. So 144. 144 will be there. That means 144 times. Yeah. Now it is looking like a quadratic equation, right? So we have to find the factors by splitting method. So 144 factors. So 1 table, 2 table. That means when you multiply, you should get 144. When you add, you should get 25. Okay, na? So I think it is. Yeah, let us take that 144 factors. 1 table, 144. So 2 tables, 72 times. 3 table also will come. 3 table, 3 4s, 12. 3 4s, yeah, 3 6 are. 144. 2 tables, 72 times. 3 table, 3 4s are 12 and 3 8s. Yeah, 48 times. And 4 table also will come. 4 3s, 4 6 are. Okay, 5 table not there. So 6 table will come, 6 2s. 6 2s are 12, 6 4s. But 24 6. 24 6 is nothing but, yeah, 30. But we should get only 25, no? Right. Yeah, still any other tables are there? Let us try 8 table. So 8 table here, 8 ones are 8, 8 8s are 64. So 8 plus 18, 26. But we should get only 25. 9 table, yes, 9 table is getting that here. 9 table 16 times. 9 plus 16, yes, 9 plus 16 is 25. So among all these factors, only 9 plus 16, 25 only suitable. So that's why we are writing this one n square. 25n we are expressing as 9n minus 16n. Because both are negative terms, minus minus becomes minus, means both negative integers are there, means we should add with negative symbol. Right, plus 144. So from the first two terms, if I take n as a common term, I will get n minus 1 is the remaining. The next 16 I am taking common here, n minus 9 is the remaining. So therefore, n minus 9 common means n minus 16 is the factors. So n value can be 9 or n value can be 16. Okay, now let us check here. If you take n value 16, number of sides are 16, or number of sides are 9. Let us take that n value 16. Sum of angles will be more than that. Okay, whatever the sum of angles will be, let us take n value 9. Okay, na? Smallest angle how much? 120. Smallest angle means 120. So if you take n value is 16, that means 16 sides will be there, no? 16 sides. Can it possible n value is 16? Can it possible? So let us check. If n value can be 9 or 16, that means n is representing the number of sides, no? So n value, let us take it for 16. That means I am finding the 16th angle. First angle is 120 degrees, right? So 16th angle, let us find. That means a plus 15d. 16th term is nothing but a plus 15d. A value is 120 degrees plus 15 into d. 15 into d value how much? 5. 15 5 is 75. When you add, you will get the answer 195 degrees. 195 is a possible angle for us? No. Why 195 is not a possible angle? If you take any polygon, that angle between two sides must be less than 180 degrees. Because if the angle is exactly 180 degrees, the two sides becomes a straight line like this. Okay, na? That means these two sides are appearing as a single side. So that angle between the two sides is do not cross more than 180 degrees, and it should not be 180 degrees also. So our possibility answer is only n. Okay, now let us go to the next problem. Okay, so the 15th one is given. The first term and last term of AP are given as A and L. First term is given. What is the first term? Is represented with the letter A, it seems. Last term also given. Okay, na? So last term is L. First term is A, last term is L. Okay, respectively, if S be the sum of all angles or all terms of AP, then the common difference is, we need to find the common difference. Okay, na? S means what? Sn. So actually Sn formula, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, na? So this one we are writing as, 2a I can write a plus a, am I right? 2a means a plus a, and the remaining part n minus 1 into d is same. So while you are observing that a plus n minus 1 into d is nothing but the formula Tn. Tn means it can be last term or any one of the term. I am considering it is a last term. So in the place of this we can write an, nothing but L. First term is a only into n by 2. So sum of n terms S is equals to n by 2 into a plus L. Okay, na? That is also one of the formula. Next, common difference we should find. Okay, now here 2 is dividing, when you transpose side multiply, so 2s is equals to n into r, n into a plus l. So a plus l is multiplying when you transpose divides. Okay, na? From this n value. But what we have to find? Common difference. So common difference is, I am taking the common difference from nth term. Nth term we can take it as, or common difference d. D is equals to a2 minus a1. Okay, na? Second term minus first term. First term we have already taken a, but what is the second term? Do you know the second term? Not there. But we can use the last term Tn formula. What is the last term formula? Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Am I right? So in the place of Tn I can write L, because last term is given that L. L equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, na? Now plus a, bring this side, becomes minus a, it will be L minus a equals to n minus 1 into d. So from this d is equals to L minus a by n minus 1. We got the difference value d is equals to L minus a by n plus 1, but the d includes the term s because it is given s. Okay, so that's why I am substituting here. In the place of n, I am writing 2a plus L in the second equation. Let us consider this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So whenever you can see the n value, you can write this one. Now this one L minus a by, in the place of n we can write 2s by a plus L. Here minus 1, that is equals to d. Try to simplify this one. Numerator is L minus a is same, 2s minus, this is 1 no, 1 into a plus L is a plus L or L plus A, anything we can write. And the denominator, entire denominator is a plus L transposed to numerator. Okay, so it is in the form of L plus A into L minus A, nothing but a plus b into a minus b formula, a square minus b square. So from this we can write L square minus a square minus 2s minus a plus L. This is the answer. Okay, na? Let us go to the next problem. Check that answer. Okay, problem number 16. Yeah, the problem is 105th term of an AP which is having in the form of 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5 and so on. Am I right? Yeah. So this is the arithmetic progression. It is already given, it is in the arithmetic progression. Let us find the common difference. What is the common difference? A2 minus A1, second term minus first term. Second term 4.5, first term is 4. 4.5 minus 4 is half. So common difference is 1 by 2. Common difference is 1 by 2. Okay, na? Yeah. Next. First term is 4. Which term we should find? 110th one. Which one? 110th term. So I am using the Tn formula, a plus n minus 1 into d. Just finding 105 value. 4 plus 105 minus 1 is 104 into common difference is 1 by 2. So 2 table 104 52 times. 52 ones are 52, 52 plus 4 56. So 110th term is 56. Okay, na? Please look at that. Now we are going to next problem. If the first term of AP 6 and its common difference is 5. First term of AP is 6, common difference is 5. So first term common difference we got. Okay. Then 11th term is, 11th term same like 100th term, 105th term, how we find? Same Tn formula we are using. 11th term, so formula a plus, I am just substituting the values, a value 6, n value 11, 11 minus 1, 10. So 10 5s are 50, 50 plus 6, 56. Both are same answers here. Okay, na? Yeah, let us go to the problem number 18. So 18th one is given that the sum of the first 16 terms. Sum of first 16 terms means S16 only now. Sum of first n terms is Sn no. S16 terms. 16 terms means S16. Of an AP whose first term and third term are third term are given five and 15 respectively. 5 and 15 respectively. So first term let us take a value is 5, third term a3 is equals to 15. But we don't know the second term, no. How to find that second term? Formula a2 minus a1 is equals to a3 minus a2. So minus A2 bring this side plus A2. So 2 times of A2 is equals to A1 plus A3. A1 value 5, A3 value 15. So answer will be 20. So A2 term is 10. So second term we got 10. Okay, na? So what is the common difference then? Common difference will be 5. So 10 minus A2 minus A1, that is equals to 10 minus 5. Answer is 5. So first term is 5. Common difference also 5. We need to find S16. Am I right? Yeah. Substitute the value n by 2. That means 16 by 2 into 2a. 2a means 2 into 5 plus n minus 1 into d. That means 16 minus 1 into d. D also 5 here. Find the answer here. 2 table 8 times cancel. Now 2 5s are 10 plus 16 minus 1 is 15. 15 5s 75. Okay, na? So 75 plus 10 85. So we should multiply with 8. So 8 8 is 640. 680 will be our required answer. S16. Okay, na? Sum of 16 terms of the given series. Let us go to the problem number 19. Okay. Yeah, the 19th problem is if 2 by 3 k and 5k by 3. So 2 by 3 k 5k by 3. These three terms, sorry, 5k by 8. Are three consecutive terms of AP. Consecutive terms means they follow the common difference between them. Okay, na? So we need to find 33k. So if they are in AP, we can take they are in arithmetic progression means we can take they have common difference is same. So I am writing that A2 minus A1 is equals to A3 minus A2 or simply 2 times of middle term is equals to first term and third term. Okay, na? So 2 times of middle term is 2 into k is equals to first term is 2 by 3 plus last term is 5k by 8. Variables one side, numbers one side. So from this we can say that plus 5k by 8 transpose this side minus 5k by 8, that is equals to 2 by 3. So 8 to 16, 16 minus 5 is 11, that is equals to 2 by 3. So k is equals to, I am doing the cross multiplication. Okay, na? 11 into 3, 33k is equals to 16 because we should find only 33k value. Okay, so let us go to the next problem. Yeah, problem number 20. Yeah, check the problem. This one, if AP, so in an AP, 8th term is 17. 8th term I can take T8 or A8, whatever. 8th term is 17 and 9th term is 19. 9th term is A9. 9th term is 19. Okay. Then 25th term we should find. A25 we should find. What is the 8th term formula? First term A, second term A plus D, A plus 10th term A plus 9D. Same way 8th term A plus 7D. So A plus 7D value is 17 and this one, second one I am writing here, 9th term A plus 8D is equals to 19. Okay, na? 9th term is A plus 8D. Now I am going to subtract. Plus A minus A cancel. 8D minus 7D is D and 19 minus 17 is 2. So common difference we found. Now what we have to find? A plus 24 because 25th term. 25th term is nothing but A plus 24D. A value, what is A value? If you substitute any one of the equation only, you will get A value. Now I am taking this one, equation 1, equation 2. So D value in equation 1. So A plus D value, 8 into D, 8 to 16 is equals to 19 A is equals to 3. Because plus 16 when you transpose that side becomes minus 16. Okay, na? So A value 3 means 3 plus 24 into D value 2. So 24 2 is 48. 48 plus 3 is 51. So therefore 25th term of the given arithmetic progression is 51. Okay. Let us try to go for the next problem. Yeah. So if the right, how many terms of the sequence 18, 16, 14? How many terms of the sequence 18, 16, 14 should be taken? So all their sum is 0. All their sum is 0 means Sn value is 0. Sn value is 0. How many terms are there? We don't know how many terms are there, but we know the first term. First term is 18. Second term, common difference is A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1. A2 value how much? A2 value is 16. A1 value 18, that is minus 2. Common difference is minus 2 because this is decreasing order. The values are decreasing. Okay? Yeah, Sn value 0, but Sn formula we know n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. The value is 0. Substitute the known values. N we don't know, right, as it is n. 2a, 2 into a value, 18 to 18s are 36. 2 18s are 36. Plus n minus 1 we don't know, but common difference is minus 2. That is equals to 0. Okay, now that is equals to n by 2 into, try to simplify here itself, that is 36 minus 2 into n minus 2n minus 2 into 1 plus 2 is equals to 0. So n into 36 plus 2, 38. 38 minus 2n is equals to 0. Okay, na? Yeah. Now 2 is dividing, no? When you transpose, it is going to multiply. Multiply with 0, answer becomes 0. So we are having the value that is n by 2. This term, n by 2 term is equals to 0, or 38 minus 2n is equals to 0. Okay, na? So 2n is equals to 38. Therefore n value is equals to 19. Here n value is equals to 0. But 0 cannot be our answer, so we have to choose n value is 19. Okay, na? So that's it for today, children. Thank you one and all. Have a nice day. Bye bye.